Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Weight. Weight is most commonly used growth assessment markers are weight and height. Birth weight loss in first few days equals to 10% of body weight in term infants and 15% of body weights in preterm infant. Loss of weight is mainly due to the loss of water. Birth weight is regained by 10 days in terms and it is regained by 14 days in preterm infants. Weight compared to the birth weight is by 5 months the weight doubles. By 1 year the weight becomes 3 times the birth weight. By 2 years the weight becomes 4 times the birth weight. By 3 years the weight becomes 5 times the birth weight. By 5 years the weight becomes 6 times the birth weight, and by 7 years the weight becomes 7 times the birth weight, and by 10 years the weight becomes 10 times the birth weight. Birth weight of an individual is equal to 3 kgs and the child's weight equals to 15 kgs at the age of 5 years. Birth weight is equal to 3 kgs, then the child's weight, if it is 21 kgs, that is it is 7 times of the birth weight, that is at 7 years.
thank you and thank you for watching.